Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for tuning in guys. So in today's video I'm going to be making Arabic food. I'm going to show you the process, how we make it. This is it. I don't know how you call it in your country, but here in Lebanon we call it Khusa. So come with me, I'm going to be showing you how we make it. My face might not be visible at the moment when I'm preparing them, yeah, but bear with me. Okay guys, so guys, this is the Khusa. I have my coworker who I'm also teaching her how to do it. So as I teach her, I'm also recording and showing it to you. So I remove the tail. This is the tail and I've already removed the head. Just a small part of the tail I will remove. Just the tail itself, not digging deep into the green part, okay? Because I need to use this particular thing to squeeze, to remove the stuffy things inside. And yeah, so this is how you do it. You remove the tail, the head, and you remove the tail. Just like that. So that's how I will do for all of them. Guys, do you have these things? Do you have these things back home? If you are from another country, if you're watching me from another country, do you have them in your country? What do you call them? How do you prepare them? I would like to know. I would like to learn a new recipe. These are the knives I use for removing the stuffs inside. I will show you how I do it. This is how I do it. Like, you squeeze the knife inside. It's sharp kinder. It's specially made for these things. So I will roll it, and it will, as I roll it, it cuts deep into the skin or whatever of this green part, and I will remove all the white parts inside, because I will stuff this part with rice. And this rice, I've mixed it with tomatoes, I've mixed it with onion, I've put minced meat, and I've put oil and spices. Yeah, so that mixture, I will stuff it here inside. I've never seen a place where they only stuff rice without the tomatoes and the onions, but I've seen where they stuff without the meat. Like, meat is not compulsory to stuff in, but the rice mixed with tomatoes and spices, that's what I've seen. Like, it's their way of doing it, like rice. Yeah, so this is how it becomes hollow. You see, when I remove these things, it becomes hollow like that, and I have to do that for all of it. Sometimes we mix potatoes too, and that's what I'm going to add to. I'm going to mix few potatoes, and I will do them the same way like I did. And okay, in this economy, it's not even economic, but yeah, this is my cup of rice for 1.5 cup of those green Khusa. I will wash it, and I will cut my tomatoes, and I will cut my onions, and I have some garlic in the fridge that I bakished yesterday, so I will use it. And yeah, when I'm done, I will mix the ingredients. I will mix all the ingredients together. Yeah guys, if you're still watching up to this point, you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Comment in my comment section so I will know you are in my house, and I will also come and visit you. Let's continue supporting each other. We continue growing together. Yeah guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for giving this video a thumbs up. God bless you. So this is my mixture: rice, tomatoes, onion, garlic, and minced meat. Yeah, these small balls here, they are minced meat. Okay, I use gloves because I don't want to mix them with my bare hands. Yeah, I will now go in and add my spices. You can add any spice that you normally use for your own cooking. For me, I used 7 spices. I used black pepper, I used sweet pepper, and hot pepper, chili. Yeah, sometimes I used to use nutmeg, and yeah, that's about it. Those are the spices I used most. And cinnamon. Okay, if you don't like spices, or if you don't have, it's not a must for you to use the spices. Okay, so that one is not it's not so much of a necessity for you to make this food. But here we are like used to putting spices, so that's why I use it. Also, I will put oil in this mixture, and I will put tomato paste. You know why? Because here the tomatoes are, like we cook food home, we put tomatoes, and the food looks like, yeah, you've put tomatoes. Here the tomatoes don't give that red color, and whenever you need to use tomatoes, you either have to use too much, or you still have to add a spoon also of tomato paste. I don't know why they don't give the color. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section. But yeah, that is it. So when you are stuffing, you have to push it with your small finger so that you don't leave some empty spaces inside. You stuff it in, you don't leave empty spaces inside. Also, when you are drilling, removing those white parts, you have to be careful to not push it until it goes out from the other end, because when you come to stuff and you have to push the rice like this, and you had made a hole outside, a hole to the end, to the outside of the other side, like it is two holes, you understand? Now the rice will be coming, like it will bother you. Even when you cook, the sauce will be full of rice. The rice will come out, you understand? Yeah, so you have to be careful when drilling out the stuffy things inside, the white parts that I removed. Yeah, so this is how I stuff it. You have to squeeze in the rice until it's full, not too full, because you have to leave room for the rice. The rice will expand or swell or whatever when you are cooking, or when it cooks. So you have to leave a little room for it here on top, not so much. Yeah, you have to fill it, but not to the brim. Okay, so that's what I will do for all of my things, and the potatoes too. After I'm done with that, I will put it on fire. I don't have a clip of me putting on fire. I will add water actually before right now I'm stuffing and putting them in the pot. After I'm done, I will add water, and then maybe I will add some more oil, cooking oil, maybe some more spices and salt. I did add those things, and I added salt. Salt you will put to your own taste. Yeah, you put salt to your own taste. You can put Royco cubes if you want, any spice that you want if you want. Yeah, then when you are done, you put it on fire, and it doesn't take long to cook, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours max. 1 hour, I think. Yeah, on low fire. I cook on low fire, so 1 hour on low fire, it will be done. If you cook on high fire, I don't know, 45 minutes. Yeah, it depends. Yeah, so you will just see it's cooked, because it will become like soft, or you can cut a small piece after like 45 minutes and see how long it needs to cook. It's like potatoes, how you can boil potatoes on fire. Yeah, but don't let them overcook because they burst open. You know, this rice is absorbing in water, so if you make it overcook, they will burst open, and it doesn't look so presentable. Yeah, it doesn't look so presentable when it bursts open. So just keep tabs with the time as it cooks. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Give me a new recipe how you cook these things back home if you have them. Yeah, hope you've gotten a new recipe for your next meal. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I normally do Gulf lifestyle when I'm here. Not really, I do anything Gulf, my lifestyle, other things, anything trending. Yeah, and yeah, can't wait to go home and do something else, maybe meet you guys and we do contents together. We climb Mount Kenya, you know. Yeah, we have adventure. So now I'm done. I will put my water, and here we don't use tap water because this water is salty. Yeah, so we buy cooking water. So guys, when we finish cooking, like when it cooks, this food we eat it with yogurt. Here we call it laban, or like fermented milk back home. They are laban. It's not really yogurt what they call yogurt. It's like fermented milk, and that is what they eat it with, and also the Lebanese bread. I've done a video with showing the Lebanese bread. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, guys.